Our last stop in South Africa was the Wildcoast, a coastal area south of Lesotho and part of the former homeland Transkei. Of course, this part of the country is characterized by the coast, but also by the many hills and mountains, some of which rise steeply over the coast. The passage through Flagstaff, one of the larger towns in the Transkei, also shows what makes this area amongst others of interest. The colorfulness, the liveliness, and the people. We love the markets in such cities. They are always big, loud, and chaotic. Really great fun. And with many, many minibuses. Without them, nothing works. The roads over the hills are really beautiful. Again and again you can see the small villages scattered around the country, almost like colorful Smarties. Unfortunately, most hills are very bare. That means they were completely cut down. The Transkei is one of the most populated areas of South Africa. The path to the coast almost always leads over the hill range. You can rarely drive directly along the coast. In each case, we search for cuts in the mountain ranges, mostly along rivers, which we then followed and arrived at the ocean. Or not. Sometimes we got stuck and had to turn around just before the river mouth. Of course, we did not give up that quickly. We have all driven back. Well, not all, but a good deal. And then have picked a new, different way to another village at the coast. The turnoff to this dirt road was already quite promising. And in fact, we ended up on a great tarred road which should lead us to Morgan's Bay. But then we were interrupted abruptly. The front mirror almost wanted to once hook, but we did a mighty fine job in repairing.
Kannst du da rauflängen?
Wo?
So, weißt du, da an, wo meine Finger ist.
Da hinten, wo dein Finger ist?
Ja.
Okay. Haben wir denn die richtigen?
Ich glaube schon.
Das sind ja die ganz grossen, oder? Muss noch ein zweites haben? Meinst du, es hebt? Hä?
Ja, vorläufig.
Wolltest du noch einen zweiten drum tun? Oder?
Nein.
Equipped in such a great way again, including front mirror, we dash into the small coastal town. The avenue to the seaside camping was also quite special. It was not only narrow, but also led through the middle of the residential area. But it really seemed to be the official way. At least nobody stopped us or got in our way. Even the mini bridge was passable. And needless to say that even the cows could not stop us from our ocean mission, although they actually would have liked to rest a little bit longer. After the gate begins the nature reserve, which extends to the sea. The sea is in front of us and already good to see and smell glorious. And the campsite is located really fantastic on this beautiful bay. We enjoyed the days here, despite the not so nice weather. Thanks to the abundant rain, the little bridge is now properly flooded. Peter has to haul off pretty far with the long Globi, so that all wheels come safely over the narrow path. Phew, done. And then we swing in the truest sense of the word comfortably through the backcountry. Soon we reached the dunes of Cannon Rock, a magnificent view, especially because the grass grows almost up to the top of the dune ridges. From there, it was only a stone's throw to Colchester, the last stop before we bring Globi to Port Elizabeth to ship him from here to Europe. Then we have to say bye-bye, Africa.